the C5 Corvette. A little bit of nostalgia, awesomeness, and modernness, all in one performance package. There's only one issue. People say there's nowhere to put your drinks. Well, I'm going to show you how I fixed that problem, kind of for free. Here's a couple pictures for you to scan of my front console when I had the original stereo. Can you find the cup holder? Most people miss it. Well, what do you know? It was right in front of you the whole time. While I swap out my stereo so I'll have Bluetooth calling, check out the awesome gas mileage that a C5 Corvette gets, and this is normal driving. If you want to try this out, just flip open the lid on your console to this little compartment. I don't know if that's an ashtray, a coin holder, or what. If you know, let me know in the comments. Then place in your drink. And while we're here, check out my awesome Corvette floor mats and the green LED panel lights that accent the bowling green color of the car. I've driven hundreds of miles with tumblers, plastic gas station cups, styrofoam cups, paper coffee cups, and this cup holder has never let me down. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my video for the step-by-step repair and installation of C5 pop-up headlights.